When you want to make your living online, these tips will help. Wealth does not come without hard work. The more work you put into a revenue stream, the more cash you will make. That statement is particularly applicable to online ventures. This video shows you how to make good money. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money, as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Join a focus group if you want to make some money on the side. These groups gather together from an internet hub at a physical location where they will talk about a new product or service that is out on the market. Generally, these groups will gather in very big cities near you. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. You might make a little or a lot, but with hard work you can earn a living wage when you work online. Using good advice and working hard will make it easier to earn more money. Best wishes as you go forward. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.